Hello everyone, today's tutorial is about this coaster. It's 13 to 14 cm in diameter and I used a 100% cotton yarn, and I have made here in 5 different colors, but in this tutorial I'm going to use the same red color here of a cotton yarn. And to start with, I'm going to use a 3.5 mm crochet hook and make a magic ring. Chain 1 and 12 half double crochet into the ring, and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I'm going to pull my magic ring to close it up and slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Now I'm going to put my tail here, and pull it again to secure my hole here. Oops. Okay. Now for row 2, chain 1 and 2, and then double crochet into the same stitch. I'm going to hide this tail now. That is our first double crochet, then 2 double crochet into the next stitch. And then 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, now do this all around on each stitches except the last one here where I will meet you. Now to complete this row, need to make 1 double crochet into this last stitch here. So we will have 24 stitches on this row, then slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Now for row 3, chain 2 and double crochet into the same stitch, and 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. This is just the basic pattern on making a circle and making a crochet circle. So for this row, our pattern is 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet in 2 stitches. So 1 double crochet, then 2 double crochet. Now 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So we will continue this pattern until the last stitch here, and we will meet in there. Now to complete this row, we will double crochet into this last stitch and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. So in this row we have 36 stitches. Now chain 2 again for row 4, double crochet into the same stitch, then 1 double crochet into the next stitch, another double crochet into the next stitch, now 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Again, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So the pattern would be 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and 2 double crochet into the next stitch. So we will meet there again into the last stitch. Now to complete this row, we make 1 double crochet into this stitch, then slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. Now for row 5, chain 1 and single crochet all around. You will have 48 single crochets all around. So I will meet you again at the last stitch of this row. Now to complete this row, we are going to single crochet into the last stitch here, and then slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now we have still our 48 stitches on this row. Now for the next row, we are going to make our edging. So I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch here, and then chain 2 and add 1 more chain, so we have chain 3, and then double crochet in the same stitch. Now chain 1 and double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1 and double crochet into the same stitch, Now chain 1 and double crochet into the same stitch. So we have 5 double crochet here plus 4 chain space, so the chain 2 in the beginning will count as a double crochet. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 double crochets and 1 2 3 4 chain space. Now double crochet into the 4th stitch, skipping 3 stitches. So double crochet into the 4th stitch here. Now chain 1 and double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1 and double crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1 and double crochet into the same stitch. Now we have finished our second scallop here. One set of scallop consists of 5 double crochets and 4 chains. So we will repeat this pattern, skip 3 stitches and double crochet into the 4th stitch, then chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, and this is our last double crochet on this scallop, and we have finished our 3rd scallop. Now continue this pattern until we meet at the last stitch here. Now for our last scallop, we will skip 3 and double crochet into the 4th stitch, chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch, chain 1, double crochet to the same stitch, chain 1 and double crochet into the same stitch. Now so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 scallops all in all. Now to finish this row, I'm just going to slip stitch into the first chain here of our chain 2, and we're done with this row. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So I would love to add a ruffles. Now I'm going to chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and slip stitch into the chain space here, then chain 5, and slip stitch into the next chain space, and chain 5, and slip stitch into the next chain space. Do this on all spaces, including the space, the V space here. You also need to put the chain 5s in there. So I will meet you again at the end of this row. Now to complete this row, I'm going to slip stitch into this space here. will slip stitch again into this chain 1 here of our chain 5, and then pull my yarn. I will cut my yarn and pull it out. Now this is our finished project. Just weave the ends and we are done with our coaster. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Bye bye.